What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Out here in North Port St. Lucie, and we've got a 900 square foot driveway that we're soft washing and then hot pressure washing. And it's a pretty simple little project. It's always nice to be able to do these. And we're pretty loaded up today. So this is number one out of 3 or 4 we've got. This lady, she's also asked us about house wash, and then the roof, back patio lanai, the gutters. Got this little space back here, and so we came and sprayed the bleach in here. Really bad mold problems. We're gonna take care of her and get it all nice and cleaned up. You can see how nice it's already coming out. They just bought this house about a year ago, and now they're trying to fix it up and get it prepared, make it a nice proper house. It is a corner lot, so it does have a lot of nice appeal. And we'll come back afterwards and ball valve all this down. But yeah, we're just getting all the grime and grit off right now. Anyway, guys, like, share, and subscribe. It's TitanPressureWashing.fl, YouTube, and Titan Pressure Washing. Yeah, TitanPressureWashing.fl, and then TitanPW.com is our website. Till next time, guys. Titan Pressure Washing here. Hey, we just finished the driveway, 900 square feet. We did up to the front door here. We got all that all nice and cleaned up. This is black, jet black. We got this all done. A little sidewalk area here. And we got the pad. I know we had to put everything back on it, so you really can't see much. But yeah, super happy client. Awesome. Till next time, guys.
New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property clean with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. Hey, we call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan
Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida.